This cluster of crimson-coloured balls is from a plant called Great Burnet. It grows opposing pairs of leaflets that look like serrated arrowheads, and on the top of its long spindly stems it grows these crimson-red flower heads. Great Burnet is in the same family as roses, however unlike a lot of roses, it does not grow petals, and these flower heads are comprised of many different flowers without petals. It's a long-lived perennial plant, which means it can come back year after year for decades thanks to its extensive root network. This plant is well adapted to wet habitats, and in floodplains it can be one of the first plants to send off new shoots after a flood. This plant has had a lot of medicinal uses throughout history. The Latin name sanguisorba means to absorb blood, hinting that this plant used to be used to stop bleeding. For this, people used to use the root of this plant. However, the leaves have been eaten throughout history as a salad and also applied to things like burns and insect bites. This is a magnificent plant for wildlife in the UK too, supporting a plethora of different insects, one of which being the large blue butterfly, which relies on this plant as its primary food source. Large blue butterfly is actually endangered, so this plant is vital for the survival of this species. If you look closely in the leaves of this plant, you'll see these tiny little yellow insects, and these are 22 spot ladybirds. Seeing these tiny little yellow ladybirds all over this plant is a good sign that there's even smaller insects kicking about, as these are predators that rely on smaller insects for food. It can also help stabilize soil and prevent erosion thanks to its extensive root network, which sticks around for decades. As the flower heads get pollinated by different bees, butterflies and beetles, they change from the classic crimson red to this deep dark chocolate brown. That's Great Burnet, another lovely native wildflower. Comment below if you've seen this in your area. Drop this video a like if you liked it, and also follow along if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day.